ni mo fẹ́ wá máa lò. So now let's look at it. Kí n kọ fún wa as introductory part. So next class we will dive fully into this. A máa wá analyze the trade. So we are going to be doing a lot of practicals. So let me split this in 3. Okay, now when it comes to time frame, tá bá fẹ́ lo time frame, we need 3 time frame. 3. Akọkọ, I need the time frame to máa point the direction of the market. Fún wa. That is the first thing I need. Ele máa point the direction of that market. And number 2, I need the another time frame tó máa fún wa ní market structure. So tá bá ti ní direction, bóyá direction yẹn wà ní bullish, a fẹ́ ní time frame míì tó máa fún wa ní that bullish structure, ìyẹn ni market structure. And lastly, a dẹ̀ need the time frame tàti wá fẹ́ lọ pick a trade. That is our entry time frame. So these are time frame that need. First one, direction. Second one, the market structure. And lastly, we need a time frame for our entry. So now, fún scalpers, kí ni time frame tí wọ́n fẹ́ lò as direction? Most scalpers use 4 hours charts for their direction. But it is always advisable to add the day chart too. And for your market structure as a scalper, for market structure, we want to use the 1 hour charts. 1 hour charts. And our entry on the 5-minute charts. 5-minute charts. Or you use the 15-minute charts. But mostly scalpers enter their trade on the 5-minute chart. Most scalpers enter their trade on the 5-minute chart. So now as scalpers, these are the time frame you want to work with. As a scalper. Ẹ má worry, a máa break it down fún wa. So ẹ ká máa kọ́lẹ̀ bí mo ṣe ń fún wa yẹn o. Day trader wants to use the direction time frame from the day charts. That is their direction time frame, the day charts. And then their market structure time frame is the 4-hour charts. 4-hour charts for their market structure. The 4-hour charts. Entry time frame, the 1 hour or the 15-minute charts. The 1 hour or the 15-minute charts for day trader. Okay, sorry. One hour or the 15 minutes. Swing trader will use the monthly charts as their directional time frame. Market structure, their direction time frame, yes, monthly charts, and their market structure time frame on the weekly and the day charts. The weekly and the day charts for their market structure. And entry is where on the 4-hour charts, the 4-hour charts or the 1-hour charts. But most swing traders use 4 hours as their entry. Use 4 hours as their entry time frame. That is swing trader. So a ti ń rí time frame that if máa ṣiṣẹ́ báyẹn. A ti ń rí time frame that if máa ṣiṣẹ́. And lastly, we have the ọ̀gá pátápátas, the position trader. Position trader use the 3 months for their direction because they are looking at a long-term trading. Their market structure on the monthly or the weekly charts. Monthly or the weekly charts. And then they usually have their entry on the day charts or the 4-hour chart. Kò sí nǹkan tó kàn pẹ̀lú 1-hour chart, the 5-minute chart. They are less concerned. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ níbẹ̀ yẹn ariwo ọjà ni. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ níbẹ̀ báyìí 1 hour 15 minutes ariwo ọjà ló jẹ́ sí wọn. So this is the time frame. So àwọn tá jẹ́ scalpers time frame tá fẹ́ fi ṣiṣẹ́ lélẹ̀. Day trader time frame tí a fẹ́ lò lélẹ̀. So all of this a máa wá dive into it fully on Friday láti wá analyze market. A máa wo process ẹ̀ bá ṣe máa ń combine this time frame together. So if our direction time frame tó bá point lọ sókè pé bullish, price is pushing up. Ṣé rí nǹkan tá fẹ́ wá ṣe ní direction time frame ni pé a máa wá mark àwọn key levels wa. And what do I mean by our key levels? Òun ni support and resistance. Support and resistance. Òun la máa mark síbẹ̀. A ti mọ direction bí tí market yẹn lọ pé this is bullish, and then we now mark our key levels. A fẹ́ identify àwọn turning point. Tá ṣe ti mark yẹn. Ìdí tá fi pè ní key levels ni pé a mark ẹ ní our highest time frame. Our highest time frame òun la ti mark ẹ. That is nǹkan tá fẹ́ ṣe ní direction time frame. Tá bá ti wá sí market structure eléyìí tó sọ pé bullish. Market structure nǹkan tá fẹ́ rí ní market structure ó gbọ́dọ̀ align together with this direction. Direction sọ pé up. So market structure tá fẹ́ rí náà ó gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ up, which is what? Higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. Nǹkan tá fẹ́ rí ní market structure lélẹ̀. Direction and market structure ó gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ kí ni? Ó gbọ́dọ̀ kanra wọn. They have to align together. A plus B need to happen before we eventually do C. This is A, this is B, and then we are going to take decision on C. If A and B does not align, then it means C cannot happen. Ṣóyé wa, if A and B tí wọ́n bá ti align, then C cannot happen. Kò yẹ ká lọ sọ pé ká wá fẹ́ force trade. So market structure tí kíní bá wà bullish, market structure náà gbọ́dọ̀ máa fún mi ní higher highs and higher lows. And then ibi point market structure láti máa mọ bí tá ti fẹ́ end. Okay, kí ni current structure tó wà ní price? Ṣé a wà ní higher low ni àbí a wà ní higher high? Pé higher high la wà, a wá fẹ́ lọ position ara wa. Okay, mo fẹ́ kó padà wá sí higher low láti lè wá trade in direction of the overall trend, which is the direction time frame. Èyí tí mo ṣe break it down fún wa, a máa break it down bẹ́ẹ̀ náà fún wa lójú chart, but we don't have the time to do that today. This is just to introduce us to this concept. Bá ṣe máa máa trade lélẹ̀. And same way tí trend direction tó bá wà ní bearish, a fẹ́ máa rí bearish market structure, lower lows and lower highs. So ibi tí structure yẹn bá wà currently, tó bá wà ní lower low a fẹ́ kó padà wá sí lower high láti lè wá take a trade, ìyẹn la máa lọ sí kíni entry time frame láti lọ take a decision yẹn fún sell. A máa lọ take a decision yẹn fún sell on our entry time frame. So this is how we use multiple time frames. So kò kàn jẹ́ gbà kan mọ̀ pé 5 minutes mo ti enter, kíní kan mo ti enter. Now a ti mọ time frame tí ó yẹ kí a fi ṣiṣẹ́. Day trader, this is yours. Monthly swing trader, you already have it here. So ama analyze, ama practice. From next month, we are going to open a trading account. Ó máa jẹ́ demo account. We are going to demo trade for 1 full month. So for the whole of March, this is what we want to practice before we even move to any concept at all. Because kíní tí mo yẹ sọ yìí kò yẹ bóyá dùn náà bẹ́ẹ̀ o, ó máa ń dàrú o. But we are going to take our time to practice well. So after that 1 month yẹn, àwa gan máa wò okay, based on àwọn approach yìí tí mo lò gan, let me look at my history. Làwọn sọ pé no, okay, mi náà ti try. Let me put my real money now. Show you wa báyẹn. So any question? Let's have them. Let's have your question. Question.
Hello sir, mo really need question because mo join late, so ma wo video yẹn again. Tí bá ní any question, ma jẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Any other person? Question?
Sorry.
Hello, sir.
Okay, sorry. Mr. Gbenga, go first. Mr. Salah, okay.
Okay.
All right.
Based on me, she understand this.
Yeah.
How about the 1 way? I'm on the previous 4 hours. The market is right?
As what type of trader?
Okay, let's just pick one. Maybe day trade, scalper one as an example.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Okay. So, Tabati Wally, we have to check the previous 4 hours, right?
Not the previous candlestick. Am I worried? Me like I should introduce
No. Okay.
Kò ń ṣe candlestick ẹ̀yọ̀ kan la fẹ́ wò pé bí a previous 4 hours bóyá ó bullish o rárá o.
No. Bóyá any about the one tó bá gbé wá.
A fẹ́ wo direction market yẹn.
So the next 1 hour that wa fẹ́ dúró tá fi wò. That's the market structure.
Yes.
So after that 1 hour, the next 1 hour, you have to enter within 5 or 15 minutes of that 1 hour.
15 minutes, yes. Latife, I'm a switch kini wa.
Okay.
I'm a switch hello. See 15 minutes or 5 minutes. Láti lọ pick entry.